Hi everybody, Aaron, Worldwide RV. We got a lot of inventory. Today we're going to talk about a 22-foot little bunkhouse trailer I'd like to show you. First of all, since we're outside, check out the Goodyear tires. Nitrogen inside so they won't change air on you due to temperature. Little peek inside. How about this? Powder coated steel. Let's go inside. Now we're inside of this thing. Check this out. Storage bounds. Our floors are plywood. It's 5/8 tongue and groove. Nice dinette. Room for everybody. Bear fur bunks. Super soft. And I like this package because your bathroom's completely out of the way. Look how much room is in there if you can get that all in the camera. Super solid construction. I like how all of our fuse panels are up high. You're not laying down on the ground to try to change a fuse that your kids blew from leaving all the lights on. Upgraded fridge. Look at the size of that. I'm going to zoom in on this right here. Come on in. We'll take good care of you. Make sure you ask for Aaron, Worldwide RV.